Hey guys, so today we're going to do a really fun art project, but before we can do the art project we have to learn a few math terms. So the awesome thing about art is that we can collaborate with any subject, and Ms. Shaver and I have spoke and we're going to try to make this math project or math assignment a little bit more fun, okay? You might hear my dog squeaking her toys in the background, I'm sorry. But all right, guys, so anytime we talk about different angles or anything like that today, you'll need to fill it out on the paper that you have. So, and I'll kind of help you and show you how to do that as we go along. Okay, so just have your worksheet out, have a pencil, and let's pay really, really close attention because you're going to need this stuff to do your art project. Okay, so first thing I want you all to do is I want you all to look at the underneath my chalkboard where the floor and the wall meet, right? There's a seam there. And it kind of looks like an L shape, right? Kind of looks like an L shape. See right here as an example, this lime green kind of looks like an L shape. And I can stand straight up. I can stand the right way, right? My wall's not falling down towards me or falling away from me or anything like that. I can stand up straight. I am standing the right way. So that is called a right angle. So on your paper, I want you to draw a stick person that's standing up completely straight, and I want you to write right angle, okay? This angle is just right. My house is not going to fall down. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause the video so you can write all of this stuff down. So draw your stick person and write, and write where it says right angle underneath the angle, okay? And this is a 90-degree angle, all right? Now, when we look at our wall, think about if it's coming towards you. That is a different type of angle, okay? And this angle, it's really, really little, right? It's smaller than our 90-degree angle. And we're having to push up on it, right? So if you want to go ahead and draw a stick figure, pushing up on that angle like it's a wall, and I'm having to save myself because my wall is falling down. This angle is called a cute little angle, but you're a cute little angle, but you did me wrong, right? So the angle is small, but we're having to push up on it that way the wall doesn't fall on us. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. All right, guys, go ahead and write all this down, and if you need to pause the video, go for it, okay? Now, what happens if the wall falls away from us and we have to jump on our couch and lasso it, right? I actually think that's a saw, but let's pretend that's a string that's around the wall, right? We have to lasso the wall and pull it back in place, and we have to stand on the couch to do it, right? Because of course, why not stand on the couch to do it? So this angle is called an obtuse angle. So obtuse, stop being so difficult. I even have to get a special tool to get you back to right. So this angle is called an obtuse angle. So if you draw your stick person, pulling a string to try to pull that angle back in place, right? It's an obtuse angle. So an obtuse angle is bigger than a right angle. I'll have to try to make it back to right. So guys, you can pause the video if you need to keep writing, okay? But you're gonna flip this paper over. On the back of this paper, there should be some instructions. You're going to create a drawing that uses 4 right angles, 4 acute angles, and 4 obtuse angles, okay? So see what you can create. I have an example of a drawing like this in Canvas, okay? If you need to look up how to draw stuff, that is perfectly fine. After you have drawn your beautiful drawing, you can color it. After it's completely full of color, then you can work on some art canvas games, okay? But you have to do all of this first. Make sure your notes page is filled out and that you've drawn your drawing first. Okay? And it's completely colored. All right, guys. Well, happy making, and I can't wait to do our final art math project with this. Bye, guys.